Hey guys, welcome back to Hang with Puri. So today I'll be going to a pet sanctuary type thing, like it's called Birds of Paradise, and I got ready. Show you. I have this currency on, this ring, did my nails to match. Not matching that much, and these bracelets. Yeah. These jeans, you see baggy? These earrings which are barely seen. I got ready and my mom and my sister have to get ready, and then we're gonna go with my cousin sister. We're gonna pick her up. My hair is hairing today, guys. So I arrived at the place. She is my cousin sister, guys. Hello. And now we're gonna do activities. So we're gonna see the birds. Who knows? It's very sunny, guys. So guys, so there's ATV ride, Burma Bridge, Causeway, Zipline, and sky cycling. So I chose Zipline. It's kind of scary. We're just booking it right now. Guys, we got our bands. Show your band. Bands, and now we're gonna go to see the zip lining and the ATV. Guys, the cat is There's a rabbit over there. Oh, rabbit! So excited, guys.
They will try and take a bite of it. Right. Then don't.
They're gonna get the guinea pig. 8, oh my god.
7.
Guinea pig.
You're there. You're almost there. Guinea pig. Exactly. You might mistake it as a hamster because it's.
Hold it. Yes. Puri puri.
Famous in nature. Under lifelong one day partner. One on the side, stepping back.
Oh my god.
She is the female. Okay, I'll try with that. Yes. Look at him. See? See? Okay. Now I'll go closer to a female. Look how he guards. Female is stepping back.
Being so victimized.
Actually, she is hitting so. Yeah, okay, usually.
Amma, it's bathing. Actually, having a bird on my head. Just a random bird on my head, guys.
Above 50. Please.
ಕಾಲ್ ಮರ್ಚ್ಕೊಂಡು